Use a cup to measure quinoa. Add 2 cups of water. Just wash it properly. Let it soak for about 30 minutes. Then just put it in a pan and saute it. Some oil in the pan. Add vegetables one by one. It's there in the description. You start with onions. You add capsicum, chilies, red chilies, mushrooms, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, a little bit of salt. You just saute it for some time, maybe 2-3 minutes. Now for 1 measure of quinoa, we add 2 measures of water, the same cup. So let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, then we add the roasted quinoa. Mix it well. Close it and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Here it is. Very healthy quinoa.